Now, we've all seen that viral TikTok video, but I wanted to give it a shot myself. So today I'm going to show you how to turn your ceiling from this to this, or this. Alright, so now let's hop into this thing. Here's what you need: polyfill, a pen, spray adhesive, LED strip. Now make sure they are the music sync kind. I use the Govee Dream Color LED strips because they are, Bluetooth capable. They have a nice little app, and you can customize every part of the strip. So you can seamlessly do something like this. Alright, so you're also going to need poster board, scissors, and duct tape. Other optional things you may need are push pins and shipping.